For is good old shrimp and grits. Let's start with a half cup of vegetable oil. Heat it until it feels hot to hold your hand 1 inch above it. Then stir in a half a cup of flour. My sister gave me a cup, but it don't matter, I'll use half of it, right? Smash out any lumps. Continue to stir until it's a light brown. Pour in 2 cups of milk. Keep stirring. The gravy is what makes shrimp and grits what they are. Add 1 cup of water. Bring to a bubbling simmer. Shake in some tonics. Shake in some more tonics. Add a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Now stir slowly. Wait for it to thicken, then fold in 1½ pounds of fresh peeled deveined shrimps. Oh, it's looking good, it's looking good. Yes, it is. Keep stirring until the shrimp are a light pink. Set aside, because friend, it's grits making time. 3/4 pot. Add 3½ cups of water. Bring it to a boil. Put in a ½ teaspoon of salt. Grits like salt. Now, we're gonna stir in 1 cup of grits. Get it all in there. When it comes to a full boil, then turn on low and cover for 10 minutes. Check and stir occasionally. Use the pot lid and a long spoon and you won't have blisters on your hand. When thick, set aside, wait 5 minutes, then serve. Enjoy the fruits of your labor. This is the raving Cajun saying, little is much if God is in it.